Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a little bit of a self-care. As you probably seen from my recent posts, I've been doing a lot of cleaning and my hands definitely took a beating. I've been using a lot of bleach, a lot of hand sanitizer, alcohol, and one day out of the blue my knuckles started bleeding. I'm sorry if it's TMI, but the overuse of the bleach will definitely do that to you. So just be very careful with that. I'm using this Modelstone or Modelones gel nail kit that I purchased a little over than 5 months ago. Disclaimer, I purchased this with my own money. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I just found it on Amazon, purchased it, and I really like it. I will have a detailed review at the end of the video, so if you want to know what I think about it, just watch till the end. So I just used this cuticle pusher that came with the kit to push any dead skin off of my bed and cuticles, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut any extra skin. And if you're a beginner, be careful with that because I did cut myself a couple of times, so very slowly and very gently. Next, I'm going to cut my nails. I did ended up cutting them shorter than I'd like, but that's because I lost a couple of nails. I broke a couple of nails and I had to make them the same length. I'm also going to make them a square shape. I'm going to start by putting on my base. The trick here is to keep the layer as thin as possible and also stay away from the cuticles and the skin on the side. I'm going to start from the middle and work my way to the sides. I cured my first 4 nails off camera. As you can see, the lamp is too small to fit your full hand, so what I do is I cure 4 nails, the 2 thumbs and then the rest. Also, when put it on your base, don't forget to seal the top of your nail. And cure again for 60 to 90 minutes depending on the gel polish you're using. I'm using this very light pink in honor of spring, but it's not my favorite color to use on short nails. I prefer using darker colors on short nails. When using these light colors, I prefer my nails to be a little bit longer, but I've had dark nails back to back and I just was in the mood for pink, so that's what we'll be using. So for your first color coat, you want to be focused on covering as much of the nail bed as possible. You don't have to do the whole thing and you don't have to worry about any imperfections or color payoff. Just make sure you're covering as much area as you can, as correctly as you can, and the trick to that is do it very slowly. And for your second coat is when you want to work on the color payoff you'd like and keep the surface as smooth as possible. And for your last step, this is your top coat. This should make your nails look shiny. Also, this is your chance to seal those nails that you forgot to seal in step 1, 2, 3. So definitely take your time with this one. So here I'm just applying some cuticle oil that also came with the kit to my cuticles, and I'm going to apply some thick hand cream to make them smooth and finish up this manicure. Alright, so now on to the review of the Modelones kit. This is what the kit came with. At first it came with the UV lamp, or UV, it's right there. It's UV LED nail lamp. It came with the base coat, top coat, and 6 colors. So you got like gray here, and they come with these little stickable dots so that you can put the polish in there, because the bottles all look the same. That way you know which one is which. So we have gray, we have a pink, which is what we just applied, we have white, we have black, we have this beige, and this very light cream. It also came with this thing here. It came with this for your pedicures. It came with 2 of these. I don't know where the other one is. It came with this cuticle pusher. It came with a nail clipper, and this cuticle oil was also included, and all of this nail polish removal pads. I can't tell you that they're the best, but I thought all of this was extremely generous for $30. $30 is what you pay for everything. Do I like this kit? Overall, I really like it, especially for the price. I pay around $30 for one manicure, and this has like 6 nail polishes, and obviously you can use each one multiple times. The one two mini complaints I have is this lamp is too small to fit your full hands in, but I don't mind, you know, doing it in 3 phases. You have to do the 4 first, the 2 thumbs, and then the other 4. It adds about 6 minutes to your manicure time. I don't mind it so much, but I wish it was a little bigger when I'm in a hurry and whatnot. The other complaint I have is the formula of the nail polish. As you probably noticed, it's a little bit thicker than I'd like. So if you're a beginner, it's very hard to work fast with it. I've learned to work fast with it. and I do warm it up before I start doing my nails. It works, but I wish it was a little bit runnier, but that's fine. These are my two very small complaints about the kit. But do I recommend this? 100% recommended. It saves you so much money and time that you put in, go into the salon and wait and whatnot. I will link the Amazon link down below. I got this in November. I don't know if they still have it. If they do, I will definitely link it down below. And like I said, I 100% recommend it. It's not very hard to do, even if you're a beginner. I've been doing my nails for a while, but never done gel nails. This is only my third time using this, and I think I did pretty good. And this will last you a solid week to 2 weeks. So yeah. Even I do like dishes, I clean and everything, and they definitely last like a solid week. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and I will see you on my next one. Goodbye.